Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Cult Beauty has recently released 5 Christmas beauty stockings and I decided to go for one. I found the Grooming one to be the better one, for me anyway. Love the idea of actual stockings, really cute, beautiful colour. They come all in different colours, they all cost £30 each, and if you buy 2 you get a 15% discount. So this is the Groom Go, which is worth £80. So as always, you'll find a link to them down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including my Cult Beauty discount code. Unfortunately, you can't use it for money off these stockings, but if you shop regularly on the Cult Beauty website, then you can get up to 20% off if you use code CBXBeautyGeek. So yeah, so let's get on to having a look to see what's inside and showing you. So there's 6 products in total. Starting off, we've got Molten Brown Recharge Black Pepper Bath and Shower Gel. This is 100 mils, and I believe you can purchase 100 mils for £10, I think. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's so nice. Woo! Not a perfume I would go for, but it's definitely one that I could imagine my husband loving. So I might pass that on to him, or I'll just pop it in the shower. Anyone can use it then. Yeah, it's a nice one. It is really nice. I'm not that keen normally on peppery smells, but there's a load of Molten Brown ones that I do really like. So yes, happy with that. Then we got Byoma. I love Byoma. And I've got an eye cream. So this is one of the reasons I went for this. This is a barrier repair eye cream with copper tripeptide and ectoin. Boosted barrier, better skin. And there's 20 mils there. Yeah, we've seen a lot of this brand, thankfully, in a lot of beauty boxes and advent calendars. It's a Korean beauty brand. It's quite affordable as well. I love their moisturizers, mists, cleansers. It's a really good brand. So can I tell you anything extra? A targeted eye treatment that works to repair and hydrate the skin's barrier whilst reducing puffiness and helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So there's that. Then we've got another great product. This is Kate Somerville, and this is ExfoliKate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. And there is 50 mils there. It contains alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and cause sunburn. So always use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using these products, or any products that contains acids. And yeah, can be used AM and PM. So we've got an exfoliating cleanser. Then we've got hand cream, and it's literally on my hand already because I've just unboxed another box and the full size version of this was in here. I love this. Grown Alchemist is an orange hand cream, essentially. If you love the smell of fresh peeled oranges, you will love this. And it leaves the skin feeling nice and soft as well. It's such a good one. Restorative hand cream, vanilla, orange peel, and there is 20 mils there. This is Beauty from Within, a holistic approach that awakens, enlivens and alchemizes. There's a little mini one. I might actually pop that in the car. Is that upside down? Yes, it is. I'm not going to try it now, but I'll pop it in the car. But yeah, I've literally got it on this hand right now. I love it. I love it. I absolutely adore the smell of orange. Then we've got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. It's a hydrating moisturizer. 30% hyaluronic acid complex, drenches skin with a liquid cloud of fluffy like moisture pentavitin. Helps provide up to 72 hours of hydration for all skin types, and there is 15 mils there. Got a moisturizer, and then lastly, I got this recently. I can't remember where. iHerb. I'm sure in an iHerb advent calendar. This is by Crave Beauty, and it's a gentle AHA exfoliator. It's Kale Lalu Yahaha. Soak a cotton pad with a few drops of the product and sweep across face and body. No rinse needed. That's it as far as information goes. But as we've got an exfoliating cleanser here as well with AHAs, then yeah, you wouldn't use both on the same day. You'd probably, well, they say this is gentle enough to use AM and PM twice a day, any day. But I would probably just use the cleanser a couple of times a week and this in between. But yeah, it's an exfoliating gentle, it's a toner essentially, a liquid toner there. And there you go, those are all the items inside my Grooming stocking from Cult Beauty. It has a value of over £80, it contains 6 products and it cost me £30. Yeah, I honestly think I've made a right decision there. I was umming and ahhing which one to get, and as always, this time of year is manic, isn't it? All the big websites, all the big beauty brands are coming out with Christmas edits, Black Friday edits, Christmas stockings, Christmas beauty crackers and all of that. And it's like, oh my gosh, which do I go for? What do I get? Obviously, I want to get one, at least one from every brand or website so I can share with you. But then I also want to get one that I would like as well, not just any. And I'm really glad I went for the Grooming one, definitely. And I love this colour. So yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you bought a stocking for yourself or for someone else as a gift, or you thought, no, do you know what, this year, not up to par. I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.